Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is August 13th, Thursday. I want to go over my trades, so let's do that. So, just like any other morning, I came to my desk and then I ran the scanner. So, I was watching FAT, NTN, HX, I believe. I was also watching, no, not HX, HTBX, IGC, which was a continuation play. Um, HX, by the way, I wasn't watching, but it did very well. So, let's show you that. I didn't take any trades on it, but I'll just show you just in case. I was also watching Mara too. Mara was watching. Wow, it actually did good. I wanted to get in at the break of 3:30, I believe it was, right here. But once it started feeling, I let it go. But it actually did very good. Um, so anyways, yeah. So I was looking for trades around there, around this area. Um, so that was that. So now the trades that I took today, by the way, I'm up 188 today and some change. I traded NTN, which went crazy. IGC, it was a continuation play, but it was a bit whippy. But again, I cut my losses very short, so I only lost like $6 on it. HTBX made $15. GNUS, lost like 90 cents. BCRX lost $3.70. So let's check out NTN, right? NTN was crazy, like insane. So let's go back. Let's go back more. All right, cool. So NTN, let's scroll more. Wait, is this? Oh, I think right here. So, wait, this is I think aftermarket, right? I think, yeah. Okay, great. So NTN today, I was looking for. So let me pull up my book right here. Let's make this bigger. So NTN, right? So let's find NTN. So NTN I got in at 349 and then sold at 352. But I think before that I had some trades on it. Yeah, so NTN I got in at 370, sold some at 376. And then in the beginning I got in at 3 and sold at 307. So small cents move like 5-6 cents, but they add up, right? So I got in for the break of 3, which was around this area right here for a right to green move. As you guys know, I like doing those moves, so which is pretty much for the break of this. That's where it opened up, right? So I got in for the break of that, and it sold on the way up, and yeah, so that was good. And then I obviously had other trades on it, which was around 370 and sold at 376. Let me see if I can pull that up, which was around this area. I think it could have been around. Let's see. I think it was around this area right here. Yeah, it was around this area right. It wasn't a clean pattern, but I was able to read the price action and then get in and then quickly scalp and get out. So that was that. Obviously, I was actually looking for this break right here too, for the break of VWAP. Just like I said before in my other videos, they're very seasonal. One week they'll work, the next week they won't. But since this is more summertime, that's why I didn't want to take that, extra risk. So I didn't take it. But obviously worked out very well for those who took it. So yeah, the stock went crazy today. I mean, up to $7, and it opened up at like 3. So that was a good move. Overall, decent momentum, good momentum. I caught some of it. I'm just being extra cautious just because it's summertime, so taking profits quickly. Other than that, let's see what else. IGC was very whippy. I mean, I can try to show you, for educational purposes probably. So if we go back, let's keep going. Cool. So this had a good red to green move. The reason why I didn't take it is because I saw too many green candles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the reason why you want to take it. If I did take this red to green move, this could have came over here and just flushed, right? You could have done that. And also we had more red candles, right? So that's the reason why I didn't take it. But it obviously did good. But if we come back later, it actually failed, right? So yeah, so that was that. What else? What else? Yeah, I mean these are the two that are were worth showing. I think BCRX, or was it HTBX? I think HTBX. I can show you what I was looking at. Let's see, HTBX. It's not, so let's put it here. HTBX obviously died off. Had no volume later on. So yeah, HTBX. I try to get in, I guess, where I tried to get in at 180, and then obviously didn't work out, and then I got in 180. I got in and started at 180, full position 181, and then got out at 182. This didn't work out. Yeah, I was pretty much looking for the break of this point right here, which is a clear resistance point right here. So I got in for that, and it was looking weak on level two. So I got out, and obviously that was a good thing, right? And it failed right after that. So that was that. Other than that, not bad today, I guess. Hopefully tomorrow is Friday. I'm able to catch more of the momentum. Just like I said, I'm just being extra cautious. So yeah, once all this is over, we have a more stable market. Hopefully next month or next couple months, I'm gonna size up even more. So looking forward to that as well. Other than that, let's see what else. Yeah, NTN went crazy today. Let's see. Yeah, see this breakup VWAP. This was a very good amount of volume that came in, so that was an indicator that this might continue going to the uptrend. What else? But see, if we look at maybe the 5-minute chart, it might tell us a better move. Yeah. So I mean, you can tell there's some upper wicks, right? So it was hard to predict, but even then, it's good amount of green volume. So I guess I should have looked at the 5-minute chart. That would have told me, hey, the volume is decreasing, but we still have more green volume, but very light pullback red volume. So I should have, looked at that. But it's all good. Something to learn from. Hopefully you guys are green, and I will see you guys tomorrow.